Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion for Life, step by step. First, let's get your workspace ready. Begin by creating a new Notion account or logging into your existing one. Familiarize yourself with the interface, understanding that everything lives within pages and databases. Then, establish a clear, organized structure for your main workspace. A personal dashboard can be incredibly helpful, providing quick access to all your essential life areas, making daily navigation smooth and efficient. Next, let's integrate your personal goals and planning into Notion. Start by clearly defining your short-term and long-term aspirations. Create a dedicated database to meticulously track each goal and monitor its progress over time. For larger ambitions, break them down into smaller, more manageable projects. This approach makes big goals less daunting. Remember to link these projects back to their respective goals, providing a holistic view of your journey and ensuring everything aligns. Now, let's tackle daily tasks and build positive habits. Implement a robust task management system directly within Notion. Utilize a database to organize all your daily tasks, assigning due dates and setting clear priorities. This ensures you always know what needs to be done. Furthermore, establish a habit tracker to monitor consistent routines, helping you build and maintain positive behaviors. Integrating both tasks and habits into your daily or weekly review will keep you on track and productive. Finally, let's create a powerful knowledge base and resource hub. Build a personal knowledge base within Notion for all your notes, articles, and brilliant ideas. This becomes your central brain. Create a systematic approach for organizing important documents and files, ensuring everything is easily retrievable. Leverage Notion's templates to streamline content creation and maintain consistency across your pages. Remember to regularly review and update your entire Notion setup, ensuring it continues to serve your evolving life needs optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.